Hey guys, WBTreece here from WBTreece Consultants, talking about all the services that our firm provides. Number one, PCAs, property condition assessments. We write specific costs and specific timelines with specific numbers for our clients so they can go back to the negotiating table or the fundraising table and talk with a seller or with their stakeholders about why they need specific amounts of money for specific defects and specific replacements. Secondly, we provide environmental site assessments. We research the documentation and the site issues with any commercial property to make sure that you don't run into issues, whether it be with the federal government, the state government, with future lawsuits with insurance. Number three, we do property portfolio reviews. That's where we take a whole bunch of your properties and write a whole bunch of costs across space and time so that you can budget and plan for replacement with knowledge and with integrity on those costs. We do construction loan monitoring. We protect your investment in a construction project to make sure that that project is on time and on task before you're over-delivering on money that isn't warranted yet. We perform capital needs assessments and capital reserve studies. This is similar to PCAs, but it's a little different. It's just on the site issues and the common area issues with an HOA or with a school or an institution or college. Often those are the fundraising issues that they want to document for their facilities. We perform building envelope assessments, HVAC assessments, life safety assessments. Those are specific pieces of a commercial building that we will inspect and write costs for so you know when you have to replace one of those components. We perform energy audits. That's where we go in and look at your electrical usage, your HVAC usage, your green building issues, and either write upgrades or write replacements and costs for those types of issues. We perform these types of due diligence services for specifically institutions and hotels, apartment buildings, and portfolio managers and owners. We love to work with all types of clients, but that's where we can really help you is those deferred maintenance properties that need these types of services. Please give us a call or check us out online, WBTC3.com.